Hey guys, welcome back to London's Creation Corner. Today, I'm back with my 3D printer pen, and I'm going to be making 3D printed earrings. So, I'm only going to be using the part like this, but I'm going to put it like on an earring, like that. So when it's done, it will look something like that. So it'll be in my ear like that, and it looks super cute, super cool. And I have tons of other earrings over here behind my box. I don't need the box. Guys, I have so much filament. It's crazy. So I need to pick a color. Guys, you vote in the comments. What color should I use for the next video for my 3D printer pen? Comment down below. That's the comment for today. Comment down below. Okay, what color? Yeah, yellow. Okay, I need yellow. I also need my freezing cold scissors. Guys, do you know why my scissors are freezing cold? My scissors are freezing cold because my sister, I don't know why, but when we cut the tips of our popsicles off, she puts the scissors in the fridge. So that's why my scissors are so cold. I don't like it. Just don't. So I need to load up my pen. I think it's U? No, this button. Yes. I thought it was U for unload, but no, it's the load in button. Okay guys, so I have my filament loaded in. If you don't know what filament is, this is filament. Got it loaded into the pen, and you see if I press this button, filament will drip out like that. If I press it again, it will stop. I can pull it out easily. But if I touch the very tip, I'll get burned. So that's why remember when I said I got burned a minute ago? I did. Yeah, it's not actually on camera, but off camera, I burned myself. The design I'm gonna do. The design I wanted to do was like a half a heart, but like with two hearts, like that, kind of like that. I don't know. So I'm gonna draw the heart design I showed you. So let's get started now. I'm gonna make it longer, like a lot. I'm gonna make the first heart long, so that I can connect the other heart to it. Done that part, then the first heart. I need to do second heart. Click that. So we go. First one is done. So guys, this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. But it's not finished yet. I still have to connect it. Connect the heart. Hold on. Connect the heart to the actual earring part. So that's what I need to do. Glue. Okay, I glued it. I need to just connect. Ow, that burns. Ow. Ow! Okay. Okay guys, so that's the earring. That's the first earring. So guys, this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Now I need to build the second earring. See you then. Well, you are going to probably watch me, so let's get going. So. Perfect. So gotta let it sit for a second, because if I don't let it sit, it'll just come off liquid. Kind of. It'll just come off like that. And it'll just be a big mess. It would look something like that. It would just look a mess. My scissors are still freezing cold. I forgot to make another post thing, like a hangio thing, so that it can be on an earring. So I'm just gonna straw it on the hot because why not? I mean, make it a little bit. Oh, that's a little bit too small. I think it's fine. It's small, but it's okay. It's really small, but it's fine because we just need to see if it fits. Yep, it can fit through. It's fine. Everything's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna make 3D printed earrings, like little 3D printed earrings, like 3D earrings. So, I'm gonna do long but skinny. Oh, we're doing long but skinny. So, it'll be a little bit long, a little bit skinny. And I like that. That's my design. Okay guys, so I'm not going to do a square anymore. I'm going to do triangles. So, this is how I'm going to do it. So, if I didn't tell you, this also can be used as glue. Like glue. Ah! But it can't be used as school glue or something. Like that. So don't bring it to school. Don't you dare. Or else I'll find you and teach you. Okay guys, so I've already started a little bit off camera. Making... Ah! Ow! I bought myself a little... Owie. That hurt. So you can see I've already got the triangle shape. And I just bought myself again. They don't have as much, but it's just hot. Go ahead and gluey. Gluey glue. It's not school glue, but it's glue. So I use it as glue. So ha ha on you. Yeah. I don't know what I just did. I think I ruined it. Ha ha on you. I don't know what I'm saying. But it's fun to say. So I'm doing it on you. Ha ha. Baboon. No! Stretchy. Why am I touching? Ah! I need to glue those two things together so that they don't look like weird. Okay guys, so I got the first earring done. So I just made the top of the earring. Not the top, like where it's going to hang from, but like where I'm going to put the thing where it hangs. Tell me when to pick it up, because I don't know when. So I'm putting stuff on stuff. That's what I'm doing. I'm putting stuff on stuff. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to put stuff onto stuff. So I got my first earring. Oh, yeah. Guys, I was so excited when I found out. Look at that. Look at that. It's so good. Look at that. Look at this, guys. I have a triangle hanging from... Ah! I love making earrings, but I'm finished, and that's the earring on this side. That's the earring on this side. Remember to smash that like button. But if you didn't like the video, which I would be sad about, you can press the like. You didn't like the video button, but smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Good. Subscribe. Don't you dare forget to subscribe. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what earring you liked the best. Bye! Cheetos. Don't forget the Cheetos!